姐姐最捧场啊！下局 ready DJ drop the beat， 阿俊阿威。 风格的对战会有什么样子的结果呢 ？Judge 3、2、1 ，OK！ 太难了，我们评审真的头很痛。学习老师刚刚差点要吃普拿疼的感觉了。OK， 我们刚刚是阿俊先攻，那等一下我们阿威先攻哦。DJ OK， 选手喘一下啊。
But hates him out now. Seen her at the bar with anklets and toe rings. She could take a piss, turn him into a king. I was looking at her in the line like pearly white. Said a man get bigger, but he gon' linger. All these emotions running inside the club. Do you really wanna plug or do you wanna like? She get the nigga on the style. Keep these times looking like Jack Quick. You put me in any club, no joke. All these love ladies, they run out behind every player. Play it, bounce you up, push and shit. Taste the choice, make some moist. Or play paper games and floss with those words. Something like a phenomenon. 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 You was king of seduction, Captain Suction. Now she would've kept that work construction. Started with the paper, using mine. This a new level and you know it's already. That's all dances got to stop.
哎，是我们的阿俊和阿威，又是一场欧姿啊，下去。